Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Konami account. So if you've earlier signed up for your Konami ID with a certain password but somehow forgot hold of the password and now don't seem to remember it, but you still want to retrieve the data and information associated to your account and want to be using the account from now on, this is what you want to do in order to recover the account. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to my.konami.net. As you go to my.konami.net, you'll see an interface that will ask you to log in. So after tapping on login, you may land on an interface that looks like this, where you will have to enter your Konami ID or your email address and then your password. But since you don't remember your password, you can just scroll downwards, and below the login option, you can see an option that says forgot your password. Tap on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, you will have to enter your email address over here. So I'm just going to enter the email address that is associated to my Konami ID account. So here I'm just going to enter it. And after entering your email address, you will also have to give a visual verification. So I'm just going to complete this as well. Make sure that you do this correctly, otherwise the processing will be withheld. Now after doing this, you can simply tap on the next button, and after tapping on the next button, it says here that you'll need to reissue your password, and for the reissue of your password, an email will be sent with with a URL for reissuing your password. So here I'm just gonna go and see for myself if I have received any email from Konami. So as of now, I haven't received any email. I'm also gonna go and check my spam folder to see if I've received any emails, but it says here that there's nothing in spam, so I'll have to wait for a certain while. Go to my primary and keep waiting until I find a certain email from Konami in order to reissue my password to recover my account. So here, as you all can see now, I've received an email. I'm just going to open this, and then for the reissue of your password, I'm just going to tap on this link and then tap on open. After I open it up with a certain web browser, I will now be directed towards the page where I can set up a new password. So I'm just going to set up a new password for my account altogether, and then re-enter the password in order to confirm that this is the password that I want to set for my account, and then tap on register. And here it says that your new password has been activated. So what you can do is you can log into your account with your new password. You can simply go to login. You can enter your new password that you just set for your account in order to check if your account has actually been recovered. So make sure that you enter the correct password, and then you finish doing this and then tap on login. You can either turn on two-step verification right now or tap on next time. And then when you tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right hand side, you'll be able to see that you have been able to log into your account, which means that your account recovery has been successful. So this is basically how you can recover your account irrespective of the fact that you had earlier lost the password. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.